Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to recharge the AC on this 2011 Dodge Avenger. If this video is helpful, can you smash that thumbs up button and leave a comment down below for the algorithm? Really helps out a lot. First thing that we're going to do is start our vehicle. Then we are going to turn our AC on, turn our temperature all the way to the coldest setting, and then turn our fan speed all the way up. Now pop your hood. Right here is our AC low pressure port cap. So we're going to take this cap off. I've got this AC Pro recharge kit here. I will have this link down below where you can get this online. This AC Pro kit is R134A refrigerant, which is what this system requires. We're going to take this end here and we're just going to push this onto the port, and you're going to see it snap on there like that. Now to recharge our system, we're just going to squeeze the trigger and oscillate our can between 3 o'clock and 12 o'clock. You're just going to keep oscillating the can like this every few seconds. You'll notice that when you squeeze the trigger, the gauge goes to 0. When you let the trigger go, you get a pressure reading. So what you want to see is you want this needle to stay steady at about 40-45 psi. Ours is kind of bobbing around a little bit right now, which is a little bit abnormal. But normally you would want to just have this needle where it stays steady at about 40-45 psi. Generally, when your system is too low, your needle will bob around like this. And so usually that means you just need to add some refrigerant to your system. You don't want to overfill your system though. You don't want your needle to be getting up here into the 50 to 60 range. That's too high and it can damage your system. You're just going to keep filling this system until you get up to that 40-45 range and your needle holds steady. Just make sure you keep oscillating your can. You're going to do that as long as it takes to get your system up to pressure and your AC starts blowing cold. To release this from the port, you're just going to put your hand here on the end and then pull up on this ring right here where my thumb and finger are, like that. And then we can put our cap back over the low pressure port right there. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, smash that thumbs up button, leave a comment down below for the algorithm. Thank you for watching and have a good one.